Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix crashing games on Android. If your games are crashing on Android, there are several steps you can try to fix the issue. First method, restart your device. Restarting your Android can often resolve temporary glitches or memory issues. Press and hold the power button and choose Restart. Another method, update the game. Make sure the game is up to date. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Go to the Google Play Store, search for the game, and tap Update if available. Another method, clear game cache and data. If the game's cache is corrupted, it might crash. Clearing it can help. Go to Settings, Apps, Game Name, Storage, tap Clear Cache. If the issue persists, tap Clear Data. This will reset the game and delete save settings, but not necessarily game progress if it's stored online. Another method, check for device software updates. Outdated system software can cause apps and games to crash. Go to Settings, Software Update, and check for any available updates. Another method, ensure sufficient RAM and close background apps. Game requires significant memory to run smoothly. Closing background apps can free up memory. Tap the Recent Apps button, usually a square or 3 lines, or by holding and swiping up the bottom corner of your screen, and closing all necessary apps by tapping Close All. You can also use Device Care or Memory Cleaner. Then go to Memory and tap on Clean Now. Another method, reinstall the game. Sometimes reinstalling the game can resolve default issues. Uninstall the game and then reinstall it from Google Play Store. Next method, check internet connections. Many games rely on unstable internet connection. If your connection is unstable, it may cause the game to crash. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or move closer to your router if you're on Wi-Fi. Last method, reset app preferences. If certain permissions or settings are disabled, it may cause games to crash. Go to the Settings, General Management, Reset all settings. This won't delete data, but will restore default settings for all apps. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.